wakes beneath the sun. Another summer day begun. Birds are singing in the trees, warm air moving with the breeze. Bees are humming through the flowers. Sunlight fills the passing hours. Down beside the riverbed, summer seems to have no end. This is the sound of summer. Hear it all around. Leaves are moving in the breeze. Birdsong fills the trees. Crickets calling from the grass, golden sunlight through the green. This is summer's sound. Tall grass sways across the field. Wildflowers open in the heat. Butterflies move from bloom to bloom. Dragonflies flash blue and green. Along the river, water flows over rocks and under roads. And somewhere in the distant trees, a summer wind is moving free. This is the sound of summer. Hear it all around. Leaves are moving in the breeze. Birdsong fills the trees. Water running over stones, crickets calling from the grass, golden sunlight through the green. This is summer's sound. As the afternoon grows warm, clouds drift slowly overhead. Shadows stretch across the ground, and the birds begin to rest. Then the evening starts to fall. One by one the sounds return. Crickets singing in the grass, while the last light slowly burns. This is the sound of summer. Hear it all around. Warm wind moving through the trees. Night